Welcome back to Orec Technologies. Today we'll be moving to the fifth chapter in our free digital marketing course, where we equip you with the essential skill to conquer the digital world. Let's get started. SEM is all about leveraging search engine like Google and Bing to improve your website and increase visibility. Let's dive into the essentials of SEM. Here is what you need to know. First, paid versus organic. SEM encompasses both paid advertising and organic search engine optimization. Second, targeted advertising. SEM allows you to target specific keyword and demographics to reach your ideal audience. Third, instant result. Unlike SEO, which takes time to see result, SEM can generate immediate traffic to your website. Fourth, cost control. With PPC advertising, you have control over your budget and can adjust it based on performance. Fifth, performance tracking. SEM platform provide detailed analytics allowing to measure the effectiveness of your campaigns. By mastering SEM, you can drive targeted traffic to your website and increase conversions. Pay per click advertising. Now let's focus on pay per click advertising, a key component of SEM. With PPC, you only pay when a user click on your ad. Here's how it works. Ad auction. Your ad complete in an auction based on factors like bid amount and ad quality and relevance. Ad placement. Winning bids secure and ad placement on search engine result pages and relevant websites. Ad rank. Your ad's position is determined by your bid amount and ad quality score. Cost per click. You are charged only when someone clicks on your ad, making PPC a cost effective advertising model. Ad extension. Enhance your ad with additional information like link, phone number, and location information. By harnessing the power of PPC advertising, you can reach potential customer at the moment they are searching for product or service like you. Google Ads. Let's zoom in on Google Ads, the most popular PPC advertising platform. With Google Ads, you can reach billions of users across globe. Here's why Google Ads is a game changer. Extensive reach. Google Ad allows you to reach user on Google search, YouTube and millions of partner websites. Targeted option. You can target your ads based on keyword, location, demographics, interest and more. Ad formats. Google offer various ad formats including text ad, display ad, video ads and shopping ads. Performance tracking. Google Ad provides detailed analytics and conversion tracking to measure the effectiveness of your campaigns. Optimization tool. Use Google's optimization tool to improve your ad performance and maximize ROI. By leveraging Google Ad, you can tap into Google's vast network and connect with potential customers across multiple platforms. Bing Ads. While Google dominates the search engine market, let's not forget about Bing Ads, Microsoft's PPC advertising platform. Here is why Bing Ads deserve your attention. Reach a unique audience. Bing reaches millions of users who might not use Google, providing an opportunity to tap into a different demographics. Cost effectiveness. Bing ads often have lower competition and CPC rate compared to Google ads, making it a cost effective advertising option. Integration with Microsoft products. Bing ads seamlessly integrates with Microsoft products like Microsoft Advertising Intelligence and Excel. Ad formats. Similar to Google Ads, Bing Ads offer various ad formats including text ads, shopping ads, and image ads. Support and resources. Bing Ads provide excellent customer support and resource to help advertisers maximize their campaign performance. By incorporating Bing Ads into your SEM strategy, you can expand your reach and connect with new customers. Keyword research and selection. Now let's shift our focus to keyword research and selection, a critical aspect of SEM and PPC advertising. Here's how to conduct effective keyword research. Brainstorm. Start by brainstorming relevant keyword related to your product, service, and industry. Use Keyword research tool. Utilize tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEM, SEMrush, and HRF to discover new keywords and analyze their search volume and competition. Consider intent. Focus on keyword with commercial intent that indicates users are ready to take action such as buy now and or hire a plumber. Long tail keywords. Target long tail keywords which are more specific and less competitive to attract highly targeted traffic. Monitor and refine. Continuously monitor your keyword performance and refine your strategy based on insight and changes in search trend. By conducting thorough keyword research, you can ensure your ads are targeting the right audience and driving relevant traffic to your website. Ad copywriting. Last but not the least, let's talk about ad copywriting. Crafting compelling ad copy is essential for capturing users' attention and persuading them to click on your ads. Here are some ad copywriting tips to help you stand out. Be clear and concise. Communicate your message clearly and succinctly to grab users' attention. Highlight benefits. Focus on the benefits of your product or service and how they can solve users' problem. Use power word. Incorporate persuasive language and action verb to compel users to take action. Include keyword. Incorporate your target keyword into your ad copy to improve relevance and quality score. Test and iterate. Experiment with different ad copy versions and analyze their performance to identify what resonates best with your audience. By mastering the art of ad copywriting, you can create ads that drive clicks, conversions, and ultimately business growth. And there you have it, Lesson 5, Search Engine Marketing and Pay-per-click Advertising. We have covered SEM, PPC advertising, Google Ads, Bing Ads, keyword research and selection, and ad copywriting. Remember, SEM and PPC advertising are powerful tools to drive targeted traffic to your website and achieving your business goal. Stay tuned for the next lesson where we'll explore the art of social media marketing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insight. Until next time.